I want to thank all the spectators for waiting around all day for this final heat. Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And they're off to a good start. Here comes 22. Great shot from 22. The Kia's like, doesn't hurt me. Here comes the Audi. Oh! Here comes the Honda. Oh no! Oh, the Toyota. Here comes the Audi. Oh! Oh, look at that Toyota! That Honda acquired! That was a clean shot! Just missed the driver doors! Let's make sure 22's okay! It looks like he's doing great! Plums up, looks like he's having a hard time in the mud over there! The Audi's throwing the mud! Look at the back of that Corolla! Oh my God! Big shot! Tech officials, make sure that Corolla's doing good! He's still good, the tech officials say! Here comes the Honda! Guys, look at these cars! The Audi's having transmission or tire problems or something! The Audi's moving! Here comes the Corolla! Oh! He's not ready to use the front of it yet. He should. Here comes the Audi! Watch that driver, no, perfect shot! Good driving from 205 there, does not want to be DQ. Here comes the Audi! Just missed him! Oh! It's an Audi sandwich! Look at that Corolla! He says he's not dead yet! Oh! This Corolla! Hold it! Hold it! His helmet flew off with that crazy hit from the Audi. He's giving thumbs up! Kidding! Look at the stands! Take that visor off! Do you hear the turbo in that? It's like, let me eat. I don't know, that Corolla's the one impressing me. It was almost on the side. He could have picked $1 off the ground. Landed back on the wheels and it's like, thank you. We're gonna check 22's tank real quickly, but it looks like it's secure. Just want to make sure you say 4, 3, 2, 1, go! You guys seen that grader leveling the track? Look at that Corolla, better job. Oh! Oh, the Corolla's radiator! Will it refire? Great shot on that driver tire from 205. Can see it there. Oh, broken axle.
Yeah,
I think that's the end of the effort. Comes the kill shot. That was a big shot. We're gonna start counting these guys. They do not want to fix this stuff. I think this is pretty crazy. So it's not last car running, it's last hit here, and 205 made a really good hit there. Is that 22? Is he counted out? Can he move? He's got to make a competitive hit. Go 22! Oh, they say he's counted out. It's been over a minute. The underdog. I think that's it. Which one is the most messed up car out there? 22? Everyone's saying 22. Congratulations, 22. You won the Smoke Show Award. And third place. Thank you, everybody, for coming out. We appreciate you staying here all night with us. We know you could have been doing so much better things, but you chose to waste your time watching this with us, and we're greatly appreciative of that. Make sure you guys check out the beer gardens. I don't know if the burgers are still around. But our next show is in Drayton in August, and then our next show after that is Orangeville. We're going to be having a 2-day show in Orangeville. I hear there's plenty of time to get your caravan built before Orangeville. 2 caravans. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and make sure you guys come back.